Those of you who follow me on Twitter and Instagram know I was in Vienna last weekend. I was meeting up with my sister and her partner Peter, who attend the balls in Vienna every 2 years to put their dancing skills to the test in the amazing buildings and palaces of the city. Vienna is known for its many cafes and museums. Many an hour was spent catching up over cake. Lisa and Peter partied into the early hours, and while they were recovering, Nathan and I went for a ride. We put the Vienna Citybikes head to head with an oBike, and here's what happened.
Mine is 650 or 350. No, 604. 6350. We're trying the oBikes. Nathan's phone's not working. We're going to try one more time. So we're off for attempt number 2. Yesterday was a big fat fail. We had technical difficulties with the app, with Nathan's phone, and then picked 2 dud bikes. So we decided the universe was trying to tell us it was not a day for a bike ride. So we are going on again today. We'll get 1 city bike and 1 oBike if all goes well.
The city bikes in Vienna are super cheap. There is no access fee like London, and the first hour is free. So all I did previous to going to Vienna was register with their website, and as soon as I put my card in, it recognized who I was and I could get the bike out. It was super fast, super easy because of the pre-registration process. I could only rent 1 bike per card though, so this is us getting the oBike for the second bike. So we're checking over the oBikes because we had a couple duds the day before, so we're checking the wheel is straight, the tires are pumped up, and all of the good stuff. I don't like having a wet butt, so always carry a hanky with me. So all you do is take your phone, you scan the QR code, and it releases that back lock and it releases the wheel, and then off you go.
Speed is relentless.
It's horrific. It's horrific. The pedals are in the wrong place. It's hard work with 1 gear. So we're down by the river here in Vienna, and it's operating. Yeah, so we're down by the river here in Vienna, and it's known for its graffiti walls here. So yeah, there's just colorful graffiti everywhere. Some of it's quite good, some of it's pants. What's your thoughts on the bike? No. No? You want the other one back? Is it way worse than the city bike? Yeah. Yeah. Would you like to go over the features? It has 2 brakes. That's better than the city bike. Has a rubbish basket that things will fall out of. It's got 1 gear and 1 gear only. Pedals are in the absolute wrong position, wouldn't you say?
Yeah.
It doesn't matter where you put the seat. The pedals are not where your feet want them to be. Yeah.
It's not very good.
It's not a nice bike, is it?
No, but it's perfect for a
very short.
flat cities.
Yeah. Yeah, they're perfect for short, flat rides, and because you can drop them off and pick them up where you need them, unlike the docking stations, that is really kind of the best feature about them. So they do have their place, I'd say, but they need improving on the bikes.
Work it, work it. You can do it, you can do it. It's harder than the Super Bang A on a road bike.
We finished our exploration ride. Here is the back. It's actually a great spot. It's the Opera House here in Vienna. So yeah, we have discovered that the Citybikes are of way better quality than the oBikes. The oBikes are really hard work. Both Nathan and I worked up a sweat on them, and the Citybikes were fine. So there's only one gear on that bike, and the pedals are in a terrible position. So they are hard work. So yeah, but they're good for super short rides in the city on flat. So yeah, they have a purpose, like I said. And now we're going to go have lunch.
If you enjoyed coming along for the ride in Vienna, do give this video a thumbs up and stay tuned because this week I'm headed to Manchester to visit British Cycling headquarters and hopefully take a ride around town on a Brompton.